39th question. 22,26,560 voters are to be equally distributed among 245 polling booths. How many voters will be there in each polling booth? So, number of voters equal to number of voters equal to 22,26,560. Number of polling booths equal to 245. Number of voters in each polling booth is equal to 22,26,560 divided by 245. 245 nines are 2,205. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. So take one digit. Keep 5 over here. So if we want to take another digit, we have to put 0 because 215 is less than 245. So take another digit. So we get as 2156. So 8s are 245, 8s are 1960. 6 minus 0 is 6. Take a borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. It becomes 0. Take a borrow. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So take a 0 over here. So 245 8s are 1960. 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 6 0. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got quotient as 9088. So number of voters in each polling booth is equal to 9088 is the answer, children. So option B is the right answer, children. 40th question. A gardener has 389 saplings to be planted in 16 rows. How many saplings will he not be able to plant if he can accommodate only 24 saplings in each of the 16 rows? So for each row he can plant 24 saplings. Number of saplings a gardener has is equal to 389. Number of saplings he can plant is equal to 24 into 16 is equal to 384. Number of saplings he will not be able to plant is equal to 389 minus 384 is equal to 5. So option B is the right answer, children. Question number 41. The distance between Akash's school and his home is 2 km 385 meters. Every day he walks to and from the school. Calculate the total distance covered by him from Monday to Friday. The distance between Akash's school and his home is equal to 2 km 385 meters. 2 kilometers 2 kilometers can be written as 2 into 1000 plus 385 2 into 1000 is 2000 plus 385 is equal to 2385 meters. Distance covered by him in one day is equal to 2 into 2385 2 into 5 is 10, 1 carry. 2 into 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 1 carry. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 2 is 4. So distance covered by him in one day is equal to 4,770 meters. Number of days from Monday to Friday is equal to 5. Total distance covered by Akash in 5 days is equal to 4,770 into 5. So 5 into 0 is 0. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So 23,850 meters can be converted as 23 kilometers, 850 meters. So option B, 23 kilometers, 850 meters is the right answer. Question number 42. A truck requires 78 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 702 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 2,340 kilometers? Quantity of diesel required to cover a distance of 702 kilometers is equal to 78 liters. So quantity of diesel required to cover 1 kilometer is equal to 78 divided by 702 liters. Therefore, quantity of diesel required to cover 2,340 kilometers is equal to 78 divided by 702 into 2,340. So let's cancel. 78 ones are 78, 78 nines are 702, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So we are remained with 5, 54, 9 6 are 54, 9 zeros are 0. So answer is 260 liters. So option B is the right answer, children. 43rd question. A floor is 10 meters long and 7.5 meters wide. A square carpet of side 3.5 meters is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So area of the floor is equal to 10 into 7.5 meters. So this is equal to 75 square meters. A square carpet of side is given as 3.5 meters. Let's find out area of square carpet. Area of square carpet is equal to S into S. S equal to 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 is equal to 12.25 square meters. Area of the floor not carpeted is equal to area of the floor is 75. Area of the square carpet is equal to 12.25. This is equal to, let's put a point, 12.25. 0 minus 5 will not go. So take a borrow, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 when borrow, it becomes 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. It becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer is 62.75 square meters. So option C, 62.75 square meters is the right answer, children. Question number 44. The population of a town was 52,845 in the year 2005 and 77,561 in the year 2015. Estimate the increase in population by rounding off each population to nearest hundreds. So 52,845 must be rounded off to nearest hundreds. So let's compare tens place. Tens place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So this becomes 52,800. Ones place and tens place becomes a 0. Hundreds place remains the same. 77,561 is rounded off to nearest hundreds. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So let's compare tens place. 6 is greater than 5. Ones place becomes a 0. Tens place becomes 0. 1 will be added to hundreds place. So it becomes 5 plus 1 6. 77,600. Required increase in population is equal to 77,600 minus 52,800. This is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 8 will not go. So take a borrow. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 1 went borrow. So it becomes 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 24,800 is the answer, children. Option B is the right answer, children. Question number 45. The length of a rectangular park is 350 meters and breadth is 3 by 5th times of its length. Find the cost of fencing the rectangular park at the rate of rupees 15 per meter. So length is given. Length of a rectangular park is equal to 350 meters. Breadth is equal to 3/5 of its length. So 3/5 into 350. So 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 zeros are 0. So breadth is equal to 70 into 3 to 10 meters. Find the cost of fencing the rectangular park at the rate of rupees 15 per meter. So required length of fencing is equal to perimeter of rectangular park. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L is nothing but 350. B is nothing but 210. This is equal to 2 into 560. This is equal to 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1120 meter square meter. So we have to find out the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing per meter is equal to 15 rupees. Cost of fencing equal to 15 into 1120, 15 zeros is 0, 15 twos are 30, 3 carry, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 1 carry, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. So cost is equal to 16,800 rupees. So option A is the right answer, children.